Welcome. We are at day 5. So we've got to the end of this video series. This is the last day, and today we are going to be talking about how you can use your unique gifts to really make an impact in your organization or in your career generally. So let's just do a recap. So day 1, we talked about where you want to get to in your career. Day 2, we talked about why you want to get there. Day 3, we talked about when you want to get there by. And day 4, we talked about who you can get to help you to get to where you want to be. And so today we're just going to talk about what your key strengths are, what you are able to leverage so that you can make the mark that you want to make. So in everybody, for everybody, we have different skills. We all have different talents. We have different skills. We have different approaches to work. So it's really important that you figure out what your unique gifts and talents are, what your strengths are, and what your weaknesses are. So it's really becoming very aware of you as a person. So if you know that you're a person that is isn't good at attention to detail, then you may be the type of person that needs to rely on your PA or someone else to proofread your work before it goes out. If you know that you're good at organization, then you need to play to that strength. So if you're aware, think about any appraisals that you've had in the past or feedback that you've been given, and really reflect on it. And you can't be good at everything, but you are definitely good at some things. So work through today's exercise and go through and identify what your gifts are. And then once you know what your gifts are, start to think about how you can use those gifts to make an impact where you are. So one of the things that is really powerful and that is going to put you in the forefront of the minds of those who are making decisions and those who are leading teams is to look for problems. What problems are being talked about, what problems are being experienced by the department, by the organization, by the firm, by the client if you are a business owner. If you focus on those problems and you figure out what they are, and then you see how your strengths can align with a solution to those problems. So, for example, if you are really good at Excel, you are absolutely fabulous on Excel, you know how to use all of the calculations, you know all the functions, leverage that. There are so many ways that being good with Excel or other online software or packages can make an impact massively in an organization. If things aren't organized, or if there's no processes and systems in place around something and it's a pain point and it's something that people complain about, and you can be that person that says, hey, I know how to use this and I think this will be a solution for that, and if you can put that in place, you can suggest it, you're gonna catch the attention of those who are higher up, those who are looking not only for someone to do the job well, but they're looking for people that have initiative. They're looking for people that are able to make their life easier. So be someone who makes their life easier. Figure out a way that you can do that. So work through the exercise and work through and see and identify what your specific skill sets are, and then have a think about ways that you can leverage those. And I guarantee that you will become a go-to person for that particular thing, and you will then make yourself really invaluable within the organization, and that's absolutely what you want when you're trying to make your mark and make an impact and show people how great you are and why you're there. So that is the final tip for you. This whole video series has been amazing for me to share with you, and I would love for you to give me feedback by email at janine@lightboxcoaching.com if you found these useful or you have any questions. Also head over to our Facebook group, which is at the Live Love Laugh Cafe. I will send a link to it But yeah, this is the start of more video series. So please subscribe to our mailing list on our website, www.likewhatscoaching.com, so that you can be informed of future things that we're going to be doing. And if you're in a place where you feel that these tips were really useful, but you need more assistance, you need more guidance, then yeah, do reach out, because I have some coaching packages for young professionals, for lawyers just like you, who are looking to really make an impact. And so if you think you might want to work together on a one-on-one basis, then yeah, get in touch and I'd love to do that. But otherwise, share these videos with anyone that you think would find this useful, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Bye.